You ready? Or is it not going to do? Oh. Sorry.
Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, Central Wood County in northwestern Ohio, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Genoa, or 13 miles southeast of Toledo, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, at 6:18 p.m., a 59 miles per hour wind gust was measured at Toledo Executive Airport. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Bowling Green, Fremont, Port Clinton, Perrysburg, Bellevue, Clyde, Rossford, Waterville, Oak Harbor, Gibsonburg, Genoa, Woodville, Weston, Elmore, Mobile, Catawba Island, Walbridge, Pemberville, Millbury, and Haskins. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ottawa, Sandusky, and Wood.
No! If you see any of the